What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to respond to this question on the screen. Okay, so this question is actually coming from Lillian. I can't remember which platform this was. So Lillian is asking, how can I pick a color from one image or object to another? I think this is actually simple. All right, so if you're new to my channel anyways, kindly subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the notification in order not to miss any of my future uploads. So this is how you can pick a color. So it's actually, Lillian is actually asking how she can, for instance, if this is I'm going to delete this. So if I'm going to need it anyways, let me bring it back. Control Z. I hope you know how to, if you delete something, I hope you know how to bring it back. So I just did that now, so don't ask me a question on how to do that again. So that's Control Z. All right, so if mistakenly you delete something from the system and you want to bring that thing back immediately, so you do that. I'm going to delete it again. So all I do is to either you right click on it like this, okay, or you look at this your keyboard, you see where it says delete, so you delete it, or you right click on this particular text and then you see delete. Okay, this is your delete. All right, so you can see completely delete, it's not there. But if I want to bring it back immediately, just going to press Ctrl Z on my keyboard to bring it back, or you go to this place. So this is redo. The text is off, so if you want to bring it back, you can actually come here again and then undo it. So now, so we are going to pick a color. You know, all these are the this is the question. So she's asking, how can she pick either a color? Maybe you want green color from here because you don't want to come here and the color obviously is not here, which I doubt. So if you don't have the color here or you can't find it quickly, so you can just pick a color from where you find that color easily, you know, and drop it here. So this is our text. I want to bring it closer. Let me draw something so that we can actually have as an object as well, so you can have text and object. So I'm going to draw a polygon. So now I draw something, I have something like this. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to pick a color from this particular color. Let's say for instance, a customer or a client send you a particular color. He said, I want this color, I want to use this particular color. So how do you pick that color? So the first thing you are going to do, you come to your eyedropper tool. So this is where you can locate your color eyedropper tool. Right under this your tools box, you come down. When you are here, come down, this is where you should be. So once you click here, you see your color eyedropper tool. This is the particular one you have to click. All right, so click on this color eyedropper. So once you click like this, so you have something like this. All right, so now if you want to pick this particular blue color here, whether it's blue or whatever kind of color it is, all you need to do, you point to the color, you click. All right, click. Once you point to the color and click, so you can now take it to where you want to place the color. So this is one of our objects that we just draw. So now all I need to do is to click on this particular object. So as you can see, we have the color. So this is the color I picked, this particular color. This is the color.